Hi, these videos I took in 2017, the first year of the restoration of the Lancaster. It started in November. It covers the restoration of the starboard, rudder and fin. They were taken off the Lancaster and completely stripped apart, rebuilt, restored to airworthy condition and assembled back on the Lancaster. I think it covers 3 or 4 videos. But anyway, here's the first one. Oh, before that, if any of you are still thinking of joining the Rivet Club, this would be a good time, as the centre's only income is from the Rivet Club, which brings in about £5,000 a month. It costs £2 a month to join. You get the newsletters from Andrew at least once a week during the winter time. Sometimes you might get 2 a week, depending on what's going on. Also access to the cameras, and it also helps restore the Lancaster back to flying conditions. So here's the video coming up. Thanks for watching. When they did this survey last year, they found the fins and rudders were in very poor condition, so that's where they're starting the restoration. As you can see, the skins have corroded away very badly, exposing the wooden mahogany leading edge underneath. The rudder and the fin are in the jigs. I believe these jigs were designed here at East Kirkby and they were built by a local firm. I'm not sure whether they used this type of jig on the construction in 1945 or whether it is their own design. On the fin, the 2 skins have a gap between it, exposing the mahogany wood. This is in case the skins start chafing each other and lifting up.
Right, here we go.
Oh yeah. This is the first time the skins have been removed in 72 years. As you can see on the skin, the inner skin, there's no protection at all, no paint and no jointing compound when the 2 surfaces were riveted together.
You're welcome. So 70 years that's been hidden.
Yeah.
So that's not bad.
No. In the wood, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
If you look at the
6
tails of the rivets, I like rivets.
Oh yes, yeah. Yeah.
Like bullets.
That's got them. The leading edge is made of 7 pieces of mahogany laminated together. All components of the fin and rudder were dismantled, thoroughly inspected for cracks or any deterioration, elongated holes were cleaned up and repainted and ready for assembly.
Yeah, that holds onto the.
Skinned, well, the brand spanking new ones, and we're just living the selling floats that go through. Taking it from there.
Oh, they riveted in there.
Oh, they will be, yeah.
They're not now, not at
No, no, they're just held on by skin clips. The top it goes through like a lip, you know.
Have you got the wooden
There's not one made, but it's not
leading
it's
edge?
not ready yet.
No.
We can't really fit that to the very, very end, you know.
No.
Okay, tip it up into this, but it comes down,
Yeah.
and then.
They started reassembling the fin using the hinge spar to fit the ribs on, and then the old skins to help with lining up. Yeah, because it's all got a line up, hasn't it? Right from top to bottom.
And this goes here.
Yeah.
But we're going to have a new one of those, you see. So it's important to get this in the right place, so that I know that that's the right place for that.
Yeah. A number of the intercostals and ribs had to be replaced due to corrosion or cracking or elongated holes, both on the fin and on the rudder. I missed it.
Oh, you missed it, I got it.
What was that?
He was about to throw that.
You put new skin on.
Oh, it's all going to be new.
All new, is it?
Yeah, we're just using the old skins to line everything up.
Yeah. The new leading edge, made of 7 pieces of laminated ash, was made by a local firm. Did the leading edge fit alright?
Sorry?
Did the leading edge fit alright, the wood?
Yeah, beautiful. It just give it a little rework at the ends to make it slot in, but the rest is painted. Oh yeah.
Will you treat this wooden leading edge with something then?
I think the guy said he's got some sort of lacquer to put on it. A couple of coats up around the other side. You can see when it's all laminated.
Yeah. How many pieces? About 6 again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7
7 laminates.
Yeah. Wow. New skins?
She'll probably be back in a minute.
Oh,
Yeah, she comes from another company.
oh does she?
Yeah. Came
Oh.
in specially to do that work.
Yeah.
That is supposed to be,
Oh, it's got to be down, has it?
it's got to be flush, yes.
Did he cut it short then?
No, it's not quite short, it's just at the other end. There's a piece like that. You take the, I'd say, roughly that thickness out, and then it'll move and push it down.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So it'll come into tolerance, and
Yeah.
you see in there, see where it's catching against the structure.
Yes, yeah.
We've got to take that structure, we've got to take so much out yet. So the whole thing, see, it's pushing this. That structure should be like that.
I see.
It needs to go that away to make that fall into place.
So what the structure you're going to take, you're going to cut the actual...
We'll be cutting this bit out of here.
I see, to let the wood go that way.
Just go that way, and then it'll flow into that
Yeah,
recess at our end to make it level.
yeah.